Google Meet has started rolling out the Raise Hand feature. If you hover at the bottom, you'll see the option to click to raise your hand. When you click it, a little hand icon appears. When one of your participants clicks it, you'll see a message that says that your participant has raised their hand. In the participants list, you'll now see a section that says Raise Hands. You, as the presenter, can click to lower those hands. If the person who has raised their hand wants to lower it, they need to click on the lower hand button at the bottom. They cannot click on these hands on the side to lower their hand.